I'm guessing, Dr. Dafna, that this is music to your ears, right? Because now you can tell your parents, look at what Molly did, and her kids actually enjoyed it. Because I know that there are recommendations in terms of limiting screen time, but why is, I don't want to say inherently screen time is evil for kids, but too much screen time, why is it so bad for kids?
Right. There's some medical data that has shown that kids who spend more than 2 hours of TV a day have difficult time with their behaviors. Things such as externalizing behavior, where they would be more physically aggressive, they would be cheating, stealing, defiant, and disobedient, and internalizing behaviors like anxiety, depression, fearfulness, feeling down in general. So emotionally, this is definitely affecting them in a negative way. Other things that are associated with this is inattentiveness, inability to focus in school, in their classes, on their homework. And even in teenagers, it has been shown that there's increased levels of suicidality in kids that are just sitting in front of the TV the whole day and not talking to their peers or their parents. And another big one is kids ages 4 to 10 spending more than 3 hours of their time on TV have increased levels of insulin resistance, weight gain, and adiposity, which means they're just sitting there and their risk of diabetes goes up the roof. So what this all means is that less TV is better. Get outside and play, reading books, just like what Molly's kids have done, definitely
And we're equating TV and screen time, putting it into one box, but there's good data now. There's actually some good studies out there that show too much screen time is bad. Is there a sweet spot? I'm guessing that even you would agree there's a healthy amount of screen time. From a pediatrician's perspective, what do you tell your patients?
Right, so it's all really like a balance. I understand that we need a little bit of downtime at the end of the day to watch TV and relax, but we really need to kind of put a time cap on it. So you're having your kids come home from school and they want to relax, maybe 30, 45 minutes of TV, and then go out and do your homework or do your extracurricular activities.
So Molly, can you talk a little bit about how you've incorporated screen time back into these kids' lives in a healthy way?
Yeah, absolutely. So our goal wasn't to take away all technology. It was to find its right place in our home for our kids. And so we have landed on 1 hour, 1 day a week. They get to use technology how they want to on an iPad or a video game or something. And then sometimes we'll use it to watch a family movie together, or if they want to have a cousin movie night, that's fantastic. But it's no longer a part of their daily life for now.
Do you have a top tip for other parents who want to try to implement something like this?
Yeah, I would recommend a screen detox, and I would just encourage you that you can do it. I was terrified to do it. I thought it would be so hard. I would get a ton of pushback, but you can. It's easier than you think, and you will see results faster than you think.
Great takeaway.